Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video we will be putting this new visor or replacing it with the existing visor. So here you need this one, which I ordered from Amazon, and it costed me around 150 rupees. So this comes with the visor and two screws, and this is the screwdriver which you will have to use to open these nuts. So we'll start. First we'll take out the visor. We will see how it is. So this is the set of screws. Okay, this will go here, and let me take out the visor itself. So I'll just keep it somewhere, and this is the visor. Looks nice, no scratches, nothing. And yeah, we'll just replace it and then we'll once wipe it. So to replace, this is a Vega helmet. So to replace it, just open the screws here. It's very easy to open. So just notice this. First this screw will be there, then this washer, then here the plate. This is a modular helmet, so it goes up and down. So after that, visor, and then this plastic protector. So we'll do same thing here, this side also. So this is a modular helmet. You can do this for other regular helmet also. Process will be same. Open the screw, put the new visor back. That's it. Simple steps. Just I'll show you. Removed. Take out the visor, put the plastic cover. See how much scratches are there. It was not clear that scratches have come, so it was blocking my visibility. I'll just replace it, and yeah, I'll use this new screws. You can use old one also, but prefer to use a new one, because what you will do just keeping them. And this whole set costed me around 150 rupees from Amazon. I'll put the link in the video description. Yeah, just wipe this visor from inside once, from outside also. Clean the helmet once. You can use Colin or any helmet cleaner spray if you have. I'm just cleaning with a regular cloth. It's almost clean, and these are the plastic locks which prevents the visor from slipping. So just it is done. Yeah, so it will go here. So this is left side, this is right side. Right side goes here. You can just use this two holes as a reference here. Try to put this in hole, and this main hole should cover with this. So that's the easiest way you can do it. And this is also done. So here it is in line, and here also it is in line. So put the visor here, put it here also, here fill it in this gap, this side too, and just be careful, don't make any scratches, or otherwise it will not be useful. So yeah, this is also good. It is completely locked. Just place it on this plastic locks here. Just place it. Not much of effort required here. If you are not able to do, so just keep it here. Okay, just a minute. Actually, I am recording the video, so it is a bit difficult for me. Otherwise, it is very simple. So I just I'll just put it here. Yeah, now I'll try to lock it. So yeah, I'll just lock it in a lighter way and later I'll tighten it. So first you need to put this washer, then the screw. So one side is done. See, I told you it is very simple. Just lock it some 50%, come to the other side. Just to prevent it from getting scratch, I'll just put some cloth. So put the plastic lock here with the idea I told you. This too should go inside that. So it is done. Here also I'll just try to make the lock in single line. So here also you can see all these are in single line. So put the washer. Yeah, so put the washer again and put the screw, and your 90% task is done. So you can tighten it according to your comfort level, and be careful, like it should not be too loose or too tight. See, if it is too tight, it will make sound. Yeah, alignment is good. Make it tight. Here also alignment is good. I'll just press this and pull it up. So press it. It is little damaged, so but it is locked and it is safe. So I'm using this for going to nearby shops or something. And this is how it's done. So you can control the visor. It is not loose also, it is not tight also. It is getting locked. So this is how you replace the visor for Vega helmet. Similar process is for other helmets. So I hope this video is useful, and thanks for staying till here. Thank you so much.